If you make $1 million in the US, you keep about $630,000 after taxes. In Japan, around $440,000. In the UAE, you keep the full million. Sounds like the UAE just unlocked God mode, right? Not so fast. Because money isn't about how much you keep, it's about how much power it actually gives you. And today, we're exposing one of the biggest financial illusions most people fall for. A cup of coffee in the UAE costs about $6. In Ivory Coast, around $1. A burger in the UAE, $8. In Ivory Coast, $3. A Toyota Corolla in the UAE, $25,000. In Ivory Coast, $15,000. The illusion? The cost of living illusion. Let's zoom in. In the UAE, an average engineer earns about $5,000 per month. In Ivory Coast, an average engineer earns about $700 per month. That's more than 7 times higher in the UAE. In Ronkonkoma, sorry, I just checked. Ronkonkoma is not a country. It's not even a city. It's a hamlet on Long Island. So yes, incomes are higher in the UAE, but so are costs. Rent, food, transportation, schooling, healthcare, entertainment, everything scales. And here's the key concept most people miss. It's not your income that determines your power. It's your surplus. Let's say engineer in UAE, income $5,000, expenses $4,500, savings $500. Engineer in Ivory Coast, income $700, expenses $450, savings $250. The UAE engineer earns over 7 times more, but only saves twice as much. That gap between income and expenses, that's your real superpower. Someone earning $700 and saving $250 has a 35% savings rate. Someone earning $5,000 and saving $500 has a 10% savings rate. Who's building long-term wealth faster? The one with the higher savings percentage. Because wealth isn't built by income alone. It's built by converting income into assets. In a zero-tax country like the UAE, you may keep more income, but if lifestyle costs are high, your net advantage shrinks. Big assets like cars or imported goods might be harder to afford relative to salary. This is called purchasing power. And this is where things get interesting. A $25,000 Corolla in the UAE equals 5 months of income for an engineer earning $5,000 per month. In Ivory Coast, a $15,000 Corolla equals over 21 months of income for an engineer earning $700 per month. So even though the car is cheaper in absolute terms, it's more expensive relative to income. Finally, here's the plain fact. Making $1 million in a zero-tax country doesn't automatically make you financially invincible. And paying high taxes doesn't automatically doom you either. True financial freedom is optionality, the ability to say no. That's real power.